Hey there, do you want to learn how to make a really fun Dollar Tree project? I probably don't even have to tell you what it is. If you're a Dollar Tree fan, you are gonna love this. We are making some snowy mason jars that you can use as candle holders this season. Stick around, I've got the whole project coming right up. Hey there, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. From easy crafts to holiday home decor and everything in between, you're gonna find new videos right here every week. If that sounds like something you wanna see, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. All right, today we are taking a variety of Dollar Tree supplies and turning them into these beautiful, snowy mason jars. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need. Start with a jar. You can pick up jars at Dollar Tree, or you can grab a jelly jar left over from jelly. So you're gonna need a jar. You're gonna need some Mod Podge. I'm using my big can of Mod Podge today. If you don't have any, they have these smaller containers at Dollar Tree as well. A paintbrush and some Epsom salt. I keep mine in a big container right here. And then I've got a plate that already has some Epsom salt on it, but you're gonna use that to kind of catch your extras. Then you're gonna need some twine and a scissors and a few little ornaments. Now these are actually from a couple years ago at Dollar Tree, but head over and see what they have. They always have some beautiful ornaments. You could actually finish this craft off with some floral pieces. So I'll show you how to do that when we're all done here. So the first thing we're gonna do is Mod Podge up our jar, which is always fun. So we're just going to add a thin layer of Mod Podge to the whole jar. And we are going to be putting Epsom salt on this to make it look like snow. It's gonna be so pretty, you guys. So if your Mod Podge is a little bit thicker, that's okay, because the Epsom salt crystals are a little bit bigger than the normal stuff we use Mod Podge for. I am taking my Mod Podge all the way up to the rim of the glass here, because I wanna cover it all the way up to the top. So, nice and easy there. Got the whole thing covered. I didn't do the very bottom because I want to be able to stand it up. Now, I've poured some Epsom salt here. So there's two ways that you can do it. You can push it down and you've got this nice covering here, or you can pour it and just let it catch on your plate. So whatever method works best for you. And I love how the Epsom salt almost looks like little snow crystals. It's so pretty, you guys. And you can get, there's a lot of uses for Epsom salt, but you can, if you're not gonna use it for anything else, you can pick up just a small bag at Dollar Tree and do this craft pretty easily. Okay, so I've got a few spots that need a little bit more. So I'm gonna go back in there with my Mod Podge and just kind of fill them in. And you can keep doing this until you've got the right amount of Epsom salt on your jar. All right, so now we're gonna let this dry and the Mod Podge is gonna dry clear, and then we're just gonna have the Epsom salt. So let's let that dry. All right, it is all dry, and you don't want to be too rough with these because you don't want the Epsom salt to come off, but it is dry. So now we're going to dress it up a little bit. I've got a piece of twine that I am just going to wrap around a couple times, and I'm going to tie it in the front here. Then I'm gonna grab these two little ornaments and just add them to the twine. Now you could add, like I said earlier, you could add like a sprig of holly or something, or any kind of floral on here that works for you. Then I'm just going to, there we go. Tie it off one more time on the back. I'll just trim my edges. And that's it. How cute is that? This perfect little luminary for Christmas. These mason jars, snowy mason jars, are gonna look great on my mantle. I'm gonna make a whole bunch of them and just put them interspersed with my garland that's gonna be up there this year. And because it's inside and it's around a garland, I'm gonna use little battery powered tea lights. And that is how you make a snowy mason jar using Dollar Tree supplies. All right, if you liked this video, let me know. Give me a shout out down in the comments. And if you want to see more like this, hit that subscribe button. I am here every week with new videos. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.